Let's create a consistent character. Mind-blowing, isn't it? How fantastic is this? Yes, and we can do it for free. I'll teach you how. So let's go. I'm very excited to do this. Open Pollo AI. Easy and brilliant. Choose consistent character. Now upload 3 photos. How can you generate them? For example, for free in leonardo.ai. They are pretty similar. Describe your character to help the video character. Choose the ratio. Mind you, you just have 14 credits per day. We are going to spend 10 for this production, and then you have to wait for the next day to create some more. Let the magic begin. Click on generate. Now let's watch the result, and don't tell me this isn't awesome, because it is. All you have to do now is download it. Hey, if you liked the video, do check out my playlist because I have amazing free AI tools for you in your projects. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, as always, do like, subscribe and hit that notification button so that I can keep on bringing you the best free AI tools for you in your projects. Bye bye for now.